The trucking industry is ripe for disruption after decades of dependence on diesel rigs. This was the sentiment when Musk revealed the Tesla semi-electric truck, with expectations running high. However, multiple delays have meant the battery-powered truck had not been released yet. But the frustration of Tesla fans is ending, as the Tesla Semi is finally here. What does the 2022 version offer? How will it beat the competition? Join us as we dive into the Tesla Semi 2022 that is finally here and will change everything. Most people watching this video grew up with diesel-powered rigs hauling things everywhere. The well-stocked supermarket where you shop, for example, got new products courtesy of these big trucks. However, if Elon Musk were to have his way, all vehicles would be electric. He wanted to solve many problems with fossil fuel-powered trucks. This is why Tesla is working on the semi-truck. For example, the Tesla Semi will help customers receiving deliveries cut back on the supply stock they need to keep on hand, and thereby save money. Wondering how that works? Well, electric trucks work noiselessly, just like any other electric vehicle, so the quiet Semi can operate off hours at night when diesel trucks would be prohibited. This nighttime operation will help businesses save money when they deploy the Tesla Semi. They can run and plan the day accordingly. If you have run such a business, you would know there are always hiccups with daytime deliveries. But with deliveries now also possible during the night, you won't need to hold as much stock because you are more confident of getting your deliveries on time. There's more precision, allowing you to run more energy-efficient operations. But that's not all the Tesla Semi offers. As an all-electric truck, the Semi is ounce for ounce more efficient. Fleets managers today can calculate to the penny how much each pound of freight costs to deliver under their current business models using diesel trucks. Leaving out the cost of acquisition and maintenance, electric trucks are multiple times more efficient than their diesel counterparts at moving the same freight. This makes electric trucks a more cost-effective mode of transportation. This is a big deal for Musk, who is always trying to cut down the cost of business. That cost-effectiveness is partly thanks to regenerative braking, which recaptures electric power and slows the vehicle so the system brakes are used less, reducing maintenance needs. Going back to the comparison, factoring in maintenance makes deploying the semi-truck a no-brainer. Electric trucks do not need more care because they don't break down as much. This means less downtime, meaning more opportunities to generate revenue, less money spent on maintenance, fewer parts inventory to maintain, etc. Musk unveiled the Semi at Hawthorne, California in 2017 to much applause, with arguably the cleanest design ever seen on a truck. It appeared as if it belonged to the future. The 2022 version still features a massive wraparound glass area up front that slopes into the front. The glass area is so large that its panels extend to the doors. Tesla dropped door mirrors on the Semi for aerodynamic benefits. Instead, cameras positioned at the extreme rear send a feed to the interior screens. However, we all know how Musk feels personally about side mirrors. He will rather not have them. Mind you, the large glass area on the Tesla Semi is no ordinary kit. It's what Tesla calls thermonuclear explosion-proof glass, offered as standard. According to Musk, truck glasses break once a year on average, causing downtime and safety problems. However, the thermonuclear explosion-proof glass eliminates all these issues. Diesel trucks usually have enormous grills to maximize airflow to the high cubic capacity engines. However, being an EV, the Semi has its noise blanked off, while its chin houses a relatively small air intake to cool the batteries sitting between the front and rear axles. It has one axle on the front and two axles in the rear, making for a 6x4 tractor layout. Musk is proud of the truck's aerodynamic properties. He said the truck is designed like a bullet, with a 0.36 drag coefficient, which, by the way, is better than a Bugatti Chiron, which has a 0.38 coefficient of drag. The aerodynamics help it achieve an incredible range, but we will soon get to the battery in the 2022 Semi. The Semi uses a quad motor setup on the rear axles. The 6x4, which means 6 axles and 4 driven wheels, tractor body style, has 4 electric motors at the rear to haul massive cargo. With a payload of 80,000 pounds, the truck will do 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 20 seconds. On a diesel truck, it would take a lot more than that. Without the payload, the Tesla Semi accelerates like a mid-range sports car with a 0 to 60 mile per hour time of just 5 seconds. A regular diesel truck takes triple that. Moreover, on a 5% gradient, the Tesla Semi can drive up to 60 miles per hour with a maximum cargo of 80,000 pounds. Initially, the Semi was said to have the same motors as the Model 3, each producing 258 horsepower, which in total would be over 1,000 horsepower. However, Tesla has since released a new carbon-sleeved electric motor that is more powerful and efficient. There is no reason Tesla won't use the new motor on the Semi, so we expect a boost in performance. The Semi is offered in two battery versions, one that provides 300 miles of range and one that delivers 500 miles of range. These are miles at maximum weight and highway speeds, about 60 miles per hour. Musk even said the range was the worst-case scenario. Most routes served by trucks are less than 250 miles, so you can complete a round trip even without stopping to charge. The energy consumption is incredibly low, with less than 2 kilowatt-hours per mile. Again, the Semi 2022 may have more range than this. Since the Semi was unveiled, Tesla has revealed its new 4680 battery, which offers significantly more range because of an increased energy density. The new battery will power Tesla's new vehicles, including the Semi, so we are expecting more range from the updated Semi. Tesla will source 4680 cells for the Semi from its longtime battery partner, Panasonic Corporation. Since it is a truck, the Semi has a massive battery. This could pose a problem as charging the battery will take time, which fleet operators simply don't have. Using Tesla's superchargers won't cut it. This is why the company has designed a new, heavy-duty charger known as the Megacharger. As the name implies, it can supply megawatts of power to the Semi. Tesla is now building out a network of megachargers that will support the new truck. Some installations have been spotted in Giga Nevada and PepsiCo's Modesto facility in California. The latter is interesting, as it shows Tesla is already helping its clients get ready for the truck's operation. PepsiCo is one of the first customers of Tesla for the Semi, with the company's CEO taking an unusual interest in the truck. To help the Semi maintain the correct tire pressure, Tesla has invented an automatic tire inflation system, or ATIS. When it comes to operating commercial vehicles, tire pressure is very important. This is because it can affect fuel efficiency and increase tire wear. Tires underinflated by 10 psi can cause between 0.5 to 1% increase in fuel consumption. Ensuring a commercial vehicle has adequately inflated tires also decreases the chances of roadside breakdowns related to tire failures. Of course, in the case of the Semi, the battery is the issue, not a fuel, but the principle remains the same. Properly inflated tires means the truck gets the longest possible driving range. Automatic tire inflation systems can monitor tire inflation pressure through a preset value and re-inflate tires whenever the vehicle is below the target level. Another area where the 2022 Semi breaks significant ground in safety. The Tesla Semi features the enhanced Autopilot suite of features as standard. The range of safety features includes automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, and automatic lane keeping assistance. If the Tesla Semi senses no driver input, it will stay in the lane, come to a slow and gradual halt, and automatically dial an emergency number. There's also an enhanced traction control system on the Tesla Semi to prevent jackknifing. Jackknifing refers to the unusual folding of highly articulated vehicles like trailers because of uncontrolled inertia. It occurs when the heavy trailers cause the truck to contort to awkward angles, often causing accidents. Tesla's engineers have incorporated an advanced traction control system where jackknifing is wholly avoided. The Semi's drivetrain is guaranteed to last 1 million miles. Even if 2 of the 4 motors break down, the Tesla Semi can still function and beat a diesel truck in acceleration and range. Musk also claims that the Semi will require no brake pad changes ever. Brake energy regeneration, which recovers kinetic energy and stores it in the electrical form in the battery, naturally slows the vehicle down. Let's hear what you think about the 2022 Semi in the comments section below.